Take a good look at this video. Do you think this was made with Veo, maybe Sora? Well, it wasn't. This was created with a new Chinese artificial intelligence tool that most people haven't even heard of yet, a tool named Magi. And the craziest part, I'm going to show you how to use it completely for free with unlimited generations. Today, I'm not just showing you a tool, I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. What's up everyone, I'm Malva. And listen, it takes a ton of digging to find tools and tricks like this. The world of AI is moving at a frightening pace, and my job is to filter through the noise and bring you only the things that give you a real advantage. If you appreciate me bringing you these kinds of secrets, do me a huge favor and help support the channel. Take a second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and ring that notification bell. It's free for you, but it allows me to keep creating this high-value content. All right, let's get you set up. First, head down to the description and click the link for Magi. The first door we need to open is the registration. We'll click the sign up button. The process itself is what you'd expect, but think of it as unlocking the door to your new content factory. I'll put in my name, Malva, then an email and a password. We'll enter a password we like, and we're in. After that, you'll need to confirm your account. Just go to your inbox, open the email from Magi, and click the verification button. Once you're verified and back on the site, we'll click Create New Project. And this is where Magi immediately shows you it thinks differently. There's no complex timeline, no intimidating array of buttons. It's just a clean, open canvas. Think of it like a virtual whiteboard where you pin your ideas and then connect them to bring your project to life. It's a very creative and intuitive way to work. You'll get two options. The button on the right, Select from Assets, is for files you've already used, like a history folder. Since we're starting fresh, we'll click the option on the left to upload from our device. For this first example, to really test the quality, I'm selecting this high-detail image of a warrior in a library. You see it appear on our canvas. It's our starting point. Now, to bring it to life, we find that little plus icon. This is the key to the entire workflow. We click it, and a menu of options appears. We want to turn this image into a video, so that's what we select. This opens up our control panel. First is the motion prompt, where you direct the AI. Next, you can set the duration and choose how many versions you want to generate. Now, I recommend you always keep the Enhance Prompt box checked. This lets the AI improve your prompt for better results. And don't worry about the credits for now. The solution for that is coming up. Let's hit Generate.
Before we jump into the most important part, I want to quickly recommend NordVPN, the tool I personally use to stay secure online. With NordVPN, you can instantly connect to servers in over 60 countries, so you can try out new AI tools or apps that aren't available in your country, and watch movies or shows that are normally blocked in your region. It's super fast, very easy to use, and it keeps all your data safe from hackers and trackers. And the best part? If you check it out through my link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll get over 70% off your plan. More privacy, more freedom, and a huge discount. Don't miss it.
A few moments later, we have our videos. Now, it's time for some real talk, and this is important. You have to understand the nature of working with these free, cutting-edge AI tools. The first result you get might not be the masterpiece you imagined. You might see a strange movement, a little glitch. That is completely normal. Do not get discouraged and think the tool is bad because you saw one bad result. This is a creative process of iteration. If the first version isn't perfect, generate another. Tweak your prompt. Try a slightly simpler image that doesn't have too many complex objects. The magic happens when you experiment. You have to remember, this technology is improving at a speed that is honestly frightening. The quality you see today, the glitches you might encounter, this is the absolute worst this tool will ever be. Every single week, it gets smarter, faster, and better. You are getting in on the ground floor. All right, one important tip. When you hit the Generate button, you'll likely see a message that your job has been placed in a queue. Don't panic. This is completely normal. Remember, we're using the free unlimited method, so we don't have priority access over subscribed users. It usually only takes a few minutes for the generation to complete. Just be patient, let it do its magic, and the result will be ready before you know it. Okay, let's put that theory into practice with a different kind of image. This time, I'll use this picture of a street that was itself made by AI. This is not a real photograph, so the quality is already not at its peak. Let's see what Magi can do with it. As you can see, the results are still quite impressive for the input. But we've hit the wall, the credits. Every generation eats into our free balance. This is the moment where 99% of people either stop using the tool
or they pull out their credit card. But we are not going to do either of those things. I promised you the keys to the kingdom, and I deliver on my promises. What I'm about to show you is a simple but incredibly powerful loophole. Pay close attention. First, we log out. Just go to your profile and hit the log out button. Next, we sign up again. With a twist. Here's the secret. You're going to use the exact same original email address, but with a small modification. My email is amalvabusiness@gmail.com. For this new account, I'm going to register with a .amalvabusiness@gmail.com.
Here's why this works. It's a brilliant trick that exploits how different systems read email addresses. You have to understand two things. First, for a platform like Magi, every single character in an email address matters. To the registration system, aemalvabusiness@gmail.com and a.iamalvabusiness@gmail.com are two completely different unique users. When you sign up with the new dotted version, Magi creates a brand new account with fresh credits and sends a verification email to that new address. But, and this is the magic part, your email provider, in my case Gmail, has a different rule. It completely ignores any periods you add in the username part of your address. To Magi, a.iamalvabusiness is exactly the same as aemalvabusiness. So it delivers that new verification email right to your original primary inbox. Let's break that down. Magi sees a new person and creates a new account. Gmail sees the same old you and delivers the email to your original inbox. It's a perfect loophole. And look at this. I just got a new verification email in my main inbox for the new dotted address. I click verify and boom, we are back in. A brand new account with a full set of fresh credits. Now, it's possible that one day Magi might patch this. So what's our plan B? It's simple. You can just use different Gmail accounts. If you have a few or you want to create new ones for free, you can cycle through them. The goal is the same, to always have access to these incredible creative tools. And just to prove this is infinitely repeatable, I'll select this image and we'll let the AI do its magic. As you can see, we are back to creating for free. The paywall is gone. The limits are gone. We have achieved unlimited creative freedom. And there you have it. A powerful new image-to-video tool with a unique visual canvas and a simple trick to make it all completely free and unlimited forever. The barriers to creating incredible AI content are falling every single day. The power is shifting from those with expensive gear and technical skills to those with the best ideas. Now you have another secret weapon in your arsenal to create whatever you can imagine. If this guide brought you some serious value and unlocked a new tool for you, you know what to do. Hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel is the best way to support what I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.